The supervisor's here.
Oh, stop it.
Xander, what we got going?
Well,
I see you got the cluster out.
Yeah.
Which we saw in the previous clip.
So now the video wants us to pull the
lower dash to get to the HVAC box.
Yeah.
Because we got to get that out. Because we got to change the heater core. And we got to figure out which evaporator core we have. And hopefully we can just clean this one and it's fine. But if not, well, we have to have it out to replace it anyway. And it's sure as hell a lot easier to clean it. Because we can clean out the whole box too. So this is a chore, but remember, boys and girls, when you're doing something right, you don't do it half-assed, which we've seen a lot of cars come by here that have been half-assed. And then that's what becomes of, why does it take so long to do this? Because we're busy. Is that your Sancho calling?
My stepdad.
Oh, he's cool. Tell him I said what up. All right, so Xander's going to carry on here, and we're going to keep digging. Did you just elbow me in ding ding? What's wrong with you? You hang out with me. That's what's wrong with you.